Alright, let's look at a couple of imaginary numbers. So this one here is division with imaginary numbers, which means that you need to multiply by what is called the conjugate. And the reason that we do this is so that the I, the imaginary part, disappears. So the conjugate is simply the same exact stuff, it's just the negative. And the reason for that is this essentially is the difference of two squares, meaning when you multiply this out, you're going to get 25. You're always going to get like plus 30i, minus 30i. Like those always cancel. And then you also have minus 36i squared. Now I squared is equal to negative 1. So I need to go ahead and put in a negative 1 in there. So then I get 25, and then this ends up being a plus 36, which is 61 for my denominator. And then the numerator, I just multiply. So a little distributive, you're going to 15 minus 18i, and here we go. Now, speaking of the whole I squared thing, every time you have an I squared, it's equal to negative 1. So if we have I to the 34th, what I really need to figure out is how many I squareds we have. So let's see, 34 divided by 2 is 17. So this means I have 17 I squareds. Why do I care? Because I squared is negative 1. And so if I multiply negative 1 17 times, an odd number gives me a negative answer. An even number would have given me a positive answer. So my answer here is simply negative 1.